Thinking about launching your own website but not sure where to start? One of the first steps is securing the perfect domain name. In this video, we will break down the step-by-step process of buying a domain name. Hi there, I'm Jade from Rapyd, the high-performance hosting provider your website deserves. Today, I'm going to guide you through the entire process of buying a domain name. By the end of this video, you should know exactly how to get the perfect domain for your website. Let's get started. First things first, you need to choose a reliable domain registrar. A domain registrar is a company that manages the reservation of internet domain names. Some of the most popular ones include GoDaddy, Namecheap. Make sure to choose a registrar that is reputable, offers good customer service, and has a straightforward user interface. Look for reviews and compare prices and features to find the best fit for you. Next, you'll want to use a domain availability checker tool. This tool allows you to see if your desired domain name is available. Most domain registrars have this feature built into their websites. Simply enter your desired domain name into the search bar and the tool will tell you if it's available or suggest alternatives if it's not. Now it's time to choose the best domain name option. Here are a few tips. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid using hyphens and numbers as they can be confusing, and aim for a .com extension if possible, as it's the most recognized and trusted. Make sure the name reflects your brand or the content of your website, and once you have a few options, use the availability checker tool to see which ones are available. Once you've found an available domain name you like, it's time to purchase it and complete its registration. Add the domain to your cart on the registrar's website. During the checkout process, you'll be asked to provide your contact information. You may also be offered additional services like domain privacy protection, which hides your contact information from the public WHOIS database. Decide if you want any of these extras, then proceed to payment. After completing the purchase, you receive a confirmation email. Finally, you need to verify ownership of your new domain. This step is important to ensure that you have control over your domain. The verification process usually involves clicking a link in a confirmation email sent to the address you provided during registration. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the verification. Some registrars might also ask you to log into your account to confirm ownership. And there you have it. You successfully purchased your domain name. Remember, pairing your new domain with a reliable hosting provider like Rapyd Cloud will ensure your website runs smoothly and efficiently. With Rapyd Cloud, you get top-notch speed and security, making it the perfect partner for your new domain. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And check out Rapyd Cloud for all your hosting needs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.